Most people believe that aging means slowing down, losing strength, getting stiff joints, and eventually giving up your independence. But that's a lie. It doesn't have to be this way. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful movements backed by science that can literally reverse aging. We've taught these same movements to thousands of people, men and women in their 30s, 50s, even 70s. Athletes, office workers, complete beginners. And every single one of them walked away, moving better, standing taller, and feeling younger than people half their age. Because here's the truth. Your body isn't broken because of your age. It's broken because of inactivity. Muscles shrink when you stop challenging them. Joints stiffen when you stop using their full range. Balance fades when you stop training it. But the body is adaptable at any age. I've seen it happen thousands of times with our students. And today, I'm going to show you 5 simple movements that can help you reclaim strength, freedom, and resilience. Number 1. Hanging. Rebuild the shoulders and rewire the grip. Hanging decompresses your spine, rebuilds your shoulders, and strengthens your grip. And grip strength isn't just about opening jars. Scientists literally use it as a biomarker of longevity. If you're a beginner, use a chair for support. Let your shoulders gently open and accumulate time in the hang start with 5 to 10 seconds. If you're intermediate, do a full dead hang for 20 to 40 seconds. Keep your ribs down and your neck long. And if you're advanced, aim for 5 to 10 minutes daily across variations, mixed grips, scapular pulls, even one-arm hangs. Don't have a pull-up bar? Find a rail or sturdy surface to grab. Support your feet, let your spine decompress, and you'll still get 90% of the benefits. A 2018 BMJ study showed that low grip strength is one of the strongest predictors of early death, linked to heart disease, cancer, and all-cause mortality. One of our students, Chris, 61 years old, started with a 2-hand assisted hang. Within weeks, she held 30 seconds unassisted. Her shoulders felt free for the first time in decades. It even inspired her to start hula hooping again. Takeaway: hang daily. You'll decompress your spine, strengthen your shoulders, and quite literally grip more life. Number 2. The deep squat, the original human resting position. The deep squat isn't a gym move, it's the original human resting position. Lose it, and you lose ankle mobility, hip function, and spinal health. Eventually, you lose independence. If you're a beginner, hold a door frame or couch for support. Elevate your heels on books and accumulate 2 to 5 minutes daily. If you're intermediate, squat unassisted, chest tall. Get comfortable and aim for 15 to 20 minutes a day. If you're advanced, explore different stances and squat shapes. Make it your natural resting position. The 2012 European Journal of Preventive Cardiology found that people who struggled to sit and rise from the floor were 5 times more likely to die within 6 years. Pamela, one of our students, hadn't been able to squat fully in decades until she tried this method. Tom, another student, went from a shaky 30 seconds to holding a full, deep squat for 7 minutes. Takeaway: your squat isn't optional. It's survival training. Reclaim it, and you reclaim your youth. Number 3. Sit to stand, the independence test. The ability to sit down and get back up without help is one of the clearest signs of true independence. Lose it, and you lose freedom. If you're a beginner, start from a chair. Stand up without using your hands. Gradually lower the chair height. Intermediate level, use a low stool or floor. Rise using only your legs. Advanced transition from floor to standing cross-legged without support. The same sitting-rising test showed that every point you lose equals a 21% higher risk of death. Patricia, in her 60s, told us her dream was simple. I just want to stand up without using my hands. After 3 months, she did it. Another student, Catherine, filmed herself standing from the floor for the first time in years. Her smile said it all. Takeaway: if you can stand from the floor without help, you are literally extending your life. Train this daily. Number 4. Hip mobility, the foolproof foundation. Hip mobility isn't just stretching, it's survival. Stiff hips mean poor balance and a higher risk of falls. And falls are the #1 way aging steals independence. Beginners start with 90/90 hip rotations, or gentle floor rocks, using your hands for support. Intermediate explore, Cossack squats, pigeon poses, and low gait flows. Advanced move across the floor with crawling, stepping, and flowing patterns. A 2014 study showed that hip fractures in older adults carry a 20–30% chance of death within 1 year. Michelle, one of our students, couldn't even bend to feed her dogs without pain. After weeks of hip training, she sent us a video smiling,